Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I literally just got back from going to the mailbox and getting this, and I'm like, got a little glow going on, but that's okay. I'm super excited. So this is a new subscription, at least it's new in the past few years. I think like 5 years ago I subscribed to this, but we're getting Scentbird today. I'm so excited. I did pay for this one myself. I am super into fragrances at the moment. I am into home fragrance, perfumes, like everything. I just am all about it. So I was thinking about subscribing to this for a while again, and then I saw a YouTuber talking about it. I think they had a sponsorship, and I used their link and I subscribed, and I am so excited. If you guys don't know, Scentbird is a monthly perfume or cologne subscription, so a monthly fragrance subscription. It's $16.95 a month. I do have a referral link. For one person, I can gift a free month, and then after that, maybe there's a discount. I'm not sure, but I do have one free fragrance to give away, it says, so I will link that down below to whoever wants to enjoy it, and hopefully after that one is claimed, there's still a discount for the others. If that doesn't work, I know there are codes and links out there. I think I paid around $8 for my first month, and then it'll be $16.95 after that. So I did choose my scents. Let's get it open. So this is what the bag looks like. The lighting, I know, is not the best, but this is like, it's like 5:30 p.m. Okay, wasn't planning on filming. Speaking of fragrance, I do have a Venmo box to open. That'll probably be the next video. Fall scents are here. Oh my god, I almost said y'all. Fall scents are here, y'all. I don't think I've ever said y'all like that before, but it is so good. Oh my god, I got two of the same one, so I lit one already. I am obsessed with fall fragrances, so look out for that. If you're a fragrance girly or fragrance person like I am, stay tuned. Like, you'll love it, and hopefully this will be right up your alley as well. So inside we have this little paper here in a little bag. I can already kind of smell it with the fragrance inside. So let's see, does it talk about the perfume in here, or does it talk about the subscription? Okay, so there's two pieces. I thought it was like a little opened handout thing, but it's two different separate pieces of paper here. So this tells you how to use your little component. It says, welcome to Scentbird. We're thrilled you're here. Discover a world of fragrance month after month. It tells you how to refill it. So this inside, it'll come with this little component here, and inside, like, you'll get a different perfume. You can get a different one of these outside containers every month for additional $10, but I'm just gonna use the scent, and if you take this out, and then you can put the new one in. Let's see, how does it work? So you unlock it like this, and then, oh, that's to spray it. I don't know. How do you take it out? How to refill. I don't know, we're not gonna refill now, but you can refill this, that's the point. I'm so excited. So then it says, make the most of your subscription. Rate your scent, tell us what you think, update your queue, and tell your friends. So you can pick out your own fragrance. So they have so many on there, and the one I picked out today, I'm super excited about. It's by Confessions of a Rebel, and it's their Rebel Rose Private Blend. Ooh, I love this. So it says the notes on here. I can already tell I love this so much. So the notes are lush roses, honeyed yuzu, smoked peony, black sesame, and blonde sandalwood. It says, don't call it a rose by any other name. This daring blend defies all traditional notions of the otherwise classic bloom. A lush bouquet of the rarest roses upon the composition, as honey drizzled yuzu adds a bright element and a whisper of sweetness. Sensual velvety petals of smoked peony cascade over black sesame, imparting a simultaneously elegant and decadent aroma, as blonde sandalwood wraps the scent in a hazy, passionate embrace. Just from smelling it right here, I don't smell that sandalwood, but let's spray it. I still want to see how it comes out, so I can show you guys like the component size. So it's supposed to last you a full month. In my experience from the past, it didn't last me a full month. If you spray it like 4 times a day or something like that, it's a whole month's supply. Okay, so how to refill. Oh, we just take the bottom part. It wasn't hard at all. So this is what it looks like. So you get, is it 10 mLs or 8 mLs? And it is full. Okay, let's spray. Ooh, it smells so good. I can already tell. Okay, let's get it back in. Yeah, that was really, it just snapped. Oops, let me turn it around. I actually haven't put fragrance. Oh, I did put a little fragrance on earlier, but I'll spray it like more here right now. So wait, where does it come out? Oh, so it comes out right over here. I'm like special. Oh my god. It smells so good. I just want to spritz myself all over. It really does smell good. I've had other yuzu scents and I do get a little bit of that. It's such a nice blend. I had a feeling I would love this. I'm so excited. Oh my god. So yeah, how they described it, I'm so glad they have a description. It's not like traditional rose. It's better. It's florally. I still don't really smell that sandalwood. There's like a little bit of it, like an after. I'm gonna become a scent expert. I'm gonna learn how to do all the scent descriptions and know about the base notes and like the after notes or whatever. There's like a little bit of that. Oh my god, it's such a good blend. I love this. I saw this was a free featured brand. I've never heard of them, Confessions of a Rebel, but I just knew I needed to try them. They have a few scents that sounded good. The next one on my queue, I might switch it up. I've heard like, it's like the Ariana Grande Cloud. I've like heard so many people talk about it and I do like gourmet scents sometimes. I've never smelled it before. Do you guys like that one or should I just try a unique one? I have a few, like one's called something like, something about rainbows. I'm like, I don't know. I just want to try so many. I'm so excited about this. I really love this. It smells so good. Oh my god, it's so good for like the weather right now. I feel like it's good for a daytime, but also it's like nice for a date too. I just feel like it's perfect for me and I'm so excited. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm so glad I went out. I saw it was delivered. I'm like, it's a little late to film, like, but I'm excited it did. I love it. So yeah, super excited to have a fragrance subscription. I will link them down below and look how like nice this looks. I think it's so cute. And you can take this little sticker off. It's just like lovely and you can travel with it and it locks so you don't have to worry about it spraying in your purse or anything. I really like the colors. So if you subscribe for an extra $10 a month, you can get other colors, it looks like. I'm not sure if you always start off with this color. And again, you can put it in this bag too if you want. I don't know if I'll keep the bag, but if you want. But yeah, I'm super excited. Let me know what your favorite fragrances are so I can try them out, add them to my queue. Again, I will link them down below. Try it. Someone let me know if that free scent works, that free fragrance. One of you guys can claim that. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited about this. I love it so much. Again, I should be back this week with Bella Box, and then I have Moonspell Box, and I have a Splendies, and I have Annie's Kit Club, and oh, my Ipsy replacement is on the way, so that might be the next one. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much. Bye!